Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to create a welcome pop-up like this one to greet and engage your website's newcomers because first impressions matter. Let's get going. First, we need to add the Depicter plugin. From WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New, and search Welcome Pop-up in the search bar. There's Depicter, install and activate it. Head to Depicter dashboard and choose the pop-up category. Choose a pop-up template and import it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Customize it to your liking. In this case, I'll start with changing the title, the subheading, and the button to replace them with greetings and welcome text that align with our website. Grab this 100% coupon to have Depicter Pro for free and leave a comment to let everyone know. And let's give this button a link. From options, paste your link in the link element. When done, head to Publish, Publish Now, and open Display Rules. Navigate after Close Settings to make sure that the Never Show Again to the user is checked. This way, you make sure that the pop-up is shown only to newcomers. Head to Triggers and enable the Spend Time on Page. I'll set the duration to 3 seconds. When done, click on Publish Now. Let's check out the result. And voila, there is our welcome pop-up looking radiant on our website. Alright, that's it everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.